Cairo, November 2021. The city is an exceptionally dry place. In the average year, it receives just 2 inches of rain.
Today is going to be an 11-mile run if I'm doing something right. Very unusual to be making my way through muddy streets. I'm not used to this, it's always dusty. This is the first time it's been muddy. Guess we will see how things go.
The average total amount of days where it sees rain is just 14.
Wow. There's literally no drainage system in the back streets here, so when it rains, there's no, well, I say no, there's very little sunlight because the buildings are so tall and the alleyway is so thin. So it takes a while to drain the water and dry these places up, I guess. So this will be fun. See how it all goes. I'll drop in with you along the way and talk to you soon. It's kind of wild. When I come back from a run in Cairo and I blow my nose, I get black flecks all over the tissue. So I can't imagine what it's doing to my lungs if that's just coming out of my nose head. But after the rain, it's cool skies, like cool temperature, clear skies, and just mud everywhere. I'm gonna get absolutely soaked, like my knees down. I kinda like that. I'm sure I get pissed off with it and it gets through my socks and my feet start to rub, but right now it's lovely. Not feeling bad at all. Not gonna lie, it's kind of fun. I mean, look at my shoes. I'm gonna get absolutely caked in shit, but kind of the fun part of it, really. My shoes are heavy already. I can feel how much heavier like the trail running shoes become. 2.5, 3 miles into it, so we're about a quarter of a way. I'll talk to you a bit later. And I'm feeling fine, really. There's nothing particularly wrong. The conditions particularly treacherous. It's like starting to dry, but not really. So it's this kind of mulchy, muddy, slippery stuff. Hard to describe. Just kind of mud, basically. But less liquid, more mud. But it's treacherous for running because you don't know what's the kind of wet bits and what's the dry bits. Anyway, getting it done. No big injuries or anything. Just very messy.